Hello everyone, I will teach you guys how to use the app MyNet Diary. You can download it to the Play Store for Android users and the App Store for Apple users. So next, go to the Play Store and search for MyNet Diary. Wait for it to install. So first, what is MyNet Diary? MyNet Diary is a comprehensive health, nutrition, and fitness tracking app. It allows users to log meals, track calories, monitor physical activity, and manage health metrics like weight, blood pressure, and blood sugar. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to make healthier choices and stay accountable to their goals. Congratulations! Welcome to MyNet Diary. So add your sex, add your weight, add how tall are you, add your birthday, and your target weight. So your plan is ready. These are the uses of MyNet Diary. 1. The food and calorie tracking. MyNet Diary has an extensive food database and it lets you easily log your meals. The app calculates the calories and nutrients in each meal so you can monitor your daily intake and make better choices. It also supports barcode scanning, making it quick and easy to enter store-bought items. Second, exercise and activity tracking. You can log your workouts, whether it's running, strength training, or yoga. MyNet Diary automatically calculates the calories burned based on your activities, helping you understand the balance between the calories you consume and the ones you burn. Goal setting and progress monitoring. You can set personalized goals for weight loss, maintenance, or muscle gain. MyNet Diary provides visual progress charts, allowing you to track your progress over time and stay motivated by seeing how far you've come. Fourth, health monitoring. For those who need to monitor specific health conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, MyNet Diary allows you to log key health metrics such as blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. The app can help you manage these conditions by tracking how your diet and lifestyle affect your health. So the benefits of MyNet Diary: 1 is personalized plans, easy to use, accountability and motivation, healthy habits. In summary, MyNet Diary is a powerful tool that can assist you in achieving your goals. Whether you're tracking or your nutrition, keeping up with exercise, or managing health conditions.